Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Martin. I'm an artist and designer and I live in Florida. And if you cannot tell, I'm super freaking hyped today and full of energy, y'all. And let me tell you why. Why I'm so excited is because today we are doing another Paint With Me video. I feel like so much has changed in the artistic style and the quality of my work. I want to do another one. So let's get into it right now. And welcome to the voiceover. So first things first, I need to get a reference photo selected for this painting. I'm gonna go ahead and hop on my computer and do a quick Google search and see what kind of images I could find. Sometimes I feel like Google isn't the best resource for finding reference photos. Like I feel like the selection can just be a little wah-wah, but I'm gonna do it for this one and hopefully I could find something pretty good. Okay, people, I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because it is now in la noche. It is the evening, and I'm trying to not be too loud for my neighbors. But the energy, the excitement for this painting is all still there. I've got the reference all picked out, and I've got a clear idea of what I want to do for the project, so let's just get right into it. Let's get this canvas painted on. Let's get this canvas painted. I need to go ahead and get the canvas prepped, just clean it off, give it a quick gesso, and get the background painted in before I start on the actual portrait. Cool, okay, that looks awesome. And then now that we got the background all filled in, I'm just gonna give this a quick sketch and get the reference transferred onto the actual canvas. This doesn't have to be exact or perfect. I just wanna get something rough because I'm gonna block in a lot of the painting. I don't think there's anything wrong with using reference photos as inspiration for your work, because at the end of the day, it's still 100% all you that's putting in the work and your interpretation on what you're trying to make. Like the reference photo I'm downloading is of a portrait model like that posed for the shot, but the way that I'm gonna interpret in this painting, using different colors and changing the background, is gonna turn it into its own piece of art. I really feel like color inspires my work so much. When I was a kid taking art classes, I would always color portraits of people in non-realistic colors all the time. And so I feel like that's something that's still prevalent in my work today. This painting is really starting to come together now. I knew that I wanted to add some sort of like pattern or background element to the painting also, and I just love the juxtaposition of like such a stoic, hard, manly face, but that also has this like soft look to it with these bugs, these insects that have like a more feminine name and are more fragile, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. But this piece is called Blue Ladybug Man, so I guess it all makes sense, you know? Eyes are always a challenge for me, so I feel like I try and leave them towards the end, but in future portrait paintings, I think I might want to try and start with the eye. A lot of what you're gonna see now is me just painting multiples of little ladybugs in the same process, so no need to watch all of that over and over again. You get the gist of it. All right, we're at that point in the video where we're about to reveal the final awesome, dope shots, and I just have to say thank you so much for sticking around to watch to this point. If you enjoy the kind of stuff that I'm putting out, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and drop a comment of what your favorite part of the painting was, or if you have an idea for something you'd like to see me do next. I really appreciate the support. All right, without further ado, the final dope painting shots. Let's go. I think that's it. We using it.